This is the PACLOCK PL410-PRO. This is a plastic-bodied padlock designed for lockout, tagout. As you can see on the body, it contains 7 pin stacks of a pin tumbler design. And this lock is currently ranked as a blue belt. This lock can be a little challenging. The main issue that I have with it is that it has an unsprung core, or a dead core in other words. That just simply means that there is no spring tension pushing against your tension wrench. And you'll notice that as you pick spool pins specifically, the lock can counter rotate to the point that you'll drop other pins that were previously set. This isn't a big deal if you just slow down, pay attention. Once you have set that spool pin, go back to the pins that you've already previously set and just recheck them. Again, if you're doing the jiggle test like you should be, you'll find those pins, push them back into position, and the lock should open. Another issue that I run into with this lock is counterintuitively, the keyway is so wide that it has its own issues. Your pick will slip around in the keyway. The key pins are very large. Your pick will slip to the left and right and get bound between the pin and the warding. So use the largest pick that you can. And there it is, just that easy. The lock is opened. As you can see, this is a key retaining lock. You cannot close the hasp without manually counter rotating the core. And there it is, it's locked. And I'll show you the key in operation so you can see nothing's been changed on this lock. And again, the 200K marking on the key. I've done a little bit of damage to the plastic body just by picking on it, as you can see. But it's not a bad little lock.